Hey guys, it's Steve. Following up again now in our Buick 3.8 liter. So far I have already shown you that the oil and coolant have been mixing for a while. We removed the valve cover. We already diagnosed it has a blown head gasket and it's got bad intake gaskets. To get to this point so far, I've already removed the one valve cover. We've taken out the air box. We've taken out the alternator. I've removed the fuel injectors and most of the wire harness so far already. So moving forward, I'm going to use my snap-on mid-size sockets here again. We're going to go to removing this upper intake manifold. As a general rule of thumb, I always recommend to people, I've been doing this for a while and I am by far not the best and I am not a 100% expert. I've been just doing it long enough where I know enough tricks and enough learn from my mistakes doing this. When you're taking apart an engine or doing something like this, always, try to remember where you got everything from. So I always put stuff in a bag, mark it, label it, so when you go back to it, you don't forget where it came from. Plus, in the process, I'll clean everything and make it look all nice and pretty. And, when you put it together, you don't want it to, look how you took it apart. Me, personally, if you're going to take this thing apart, all this stuff is getting clean. It's all going to look brand new when I'm done with it. So as far as that's concerned, just a general rule of thumb, always try to mark and number where everything goes, so that way later on you don't forget. Let's see here. Missing one bolt. Oh yeah, got a lot of coolant in here. Oh man, this thing is just full of garbage. Granted, it's got 240,000 miles on it, but this thing has definitely seen better days as far as oil and coolant consumption.